Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Sims 4 episode 6. I'm so sorry it's been so long. I kind of wanted to just take a break for a little bit. Yeah, so that's that. Nothing's changed at all, really. The bedroom, that's still there, even though they're probably not gonna have any more children unless they adopt, because, I don't know. Ramel, this is a new member of the family. This is her bedroom. We haven't really had much time to do any with it because we only have a little bit of money. As you can see, $1,213, which is not a lot. So she's asleep right now. Dawn should go to sleep. Also, sleep. And my main goal for the episode is either to have a party for Ramel and age her up to a child, or yeah, we're just gonna have a birthday party, and yeah. If not, I kind of want to have a backyard, even though I know that's probably not gonna happen. Oh, geez, Ramel's up. This always happens. She needs to go back to sleep. Okay. Everybody is asleep. Hey. She needs to not wake up Leanne and go back to sleep. Alright, now go ahead. Okay. So. Oh no. Dawn, you're up. Wow. Go to the bathroom, Dawn. But of course, for her, Ramel's, to age up to a child, we need quite a bit of money still, because I want to throw her a really good birthday. So yeah. She really needs to go to the bathroom. After that, Dawn, you're going to put Ramel right here. And then, yeah. Okay, I think we're just gonna have the birthday party here. We're not really gonna invite anyone because Ramel doesn't know anyone. It's gonna be weird if all the adults invite everybody, so yeah. I think we might invite Leanne's best friend or friend, Summer. Okay. Cereal for breakfast. And then you can have a quick meal and you can have cereal as well. And Leanne you can have a quick meal and cereal. Okay, we also got a coffee machine. This is from Elle's bedroom. This is the workout place. We haven't done anything to it at all. I do plan to have weights in here and TVs and more treadmills because all of my Sims like to run on the treadmill. Yeah. Bryn got a job. She is a fitness trainer, think. Oh, Dawn, you need to take a shower. Oh no, not Bryn, you should take a bath. Okay. Then Leanne, you will clean up. Clean up when you're done eating it. Or not. Shut off the power. Pay your bills. Alright, I guess you can pay our bills right now. We will not have much money left. But that's okay. Just $1. Well, that's gonna be a long, long time till we get all of our money back. I don't actually think we'll be able to have Ramel's birthday today. Off camera, I'm going to probably get everything set up, get all my Sims enough money so they can actually throw a party. Bryn is off to work and Leanne is off to work. And then I don't know if Dawn is going to go to work today. I don't know. Yesterday he didn't, but let's hope that today he does, because we need the money, all the money we can get. And then Ramel likes to run around outside as well. Okay. So, how about you and Ramel go to the park? With Ramel Robinson. And then, okay, shall we go see Mom work at the gym? Go visit some families? We gotta do something with our house to make it a little more attractive. Let's go to Newcrest. There's nothing here. Awesome. We'll go to the Oasis, and then Ramel can play on the park. You guys probably remember from the very first episode that we were here trying to find Ramel a man. But no, we did not. We had no luck at all. They're gonna go fishing together. That's so cute. Alright. Okay. So, where is my friend Ramel? What is she doing? Maybe we can grill something. They can have veggie burgers. Where is Ramel? Ramel? Oh no, she's wandering off. Where is she going? This is a very, beautiful oasis thing. It's very pretty. Awesome. Tell your father a goofy story. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. I think I'm gonna end it here. I probably will make a lot more over today. So yeah, there's probably gonna be like 5 others. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video, catch up video. Yeah, comment what you want to see next, what you want to do at the birthday party. Yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye here. Bye guys.